Hello, I'm Carl Dietrich. I work with Software Defined Radio Solutions, or SDRS, and Virginia Tech. SDRS runs this channel, but I'd like to tell you about some work that we did through Virginia Tech and some CEU courses that are going to be available soon. These courses are online and self-paced, but they're probably not like any other course of their type that you've taken. The first course covers basic concepts in wireless communication systems, from major systems and subsystems through radio channels and modulation concepts and techniques. It also introduces information theory, noise and other impediments to signal reception, and takes a thorough look at decibels and some basic link budget calculations. The second part of the first course provides more detail about the radio frequency spectrum and parameters that can be controlled to allow radio links to coexist within a band of frequencies. The second course is focused on spectrum sharing and starts with a review or an overview of selected machine learning and AI techniques, and then moves into applications in spectrum sharing. Both courses feature interactive simulations to help you learn the concepts and apply them. These progress from basic parameters of a signal all the way through AI and machine learning-based implementation to maintain a reliable link in a shared spectrum band. The courses feature a mix of slide-based lectures, guided exercises that use the simulations, text-based content, links to other learning resources, and slide handouts that you can use to study or review, as well as practice quizzes and quizzes that are taken to earn the CEU credits. Each of the courses is 1 CEU, or about 10 hours to complete. We expect that the courses will be available through Virginia Tech later this summer, either sometime in July or August. Then we'll let you know more when that happens and provide a link to the registration page for the courses. Thanks for your time. Please hit like and subscribe and support the channel by using our affiliate link if you plan to buy a featured item. We also provide consulting services and referrals. Please see the video description for a full list of disclaimers and